The Southern Nevada Health District has identified the first 2 cases of West Nile virus of the season. One patient, a man in his 60s, the other, a man in his 70s. Both have now recovered. The diagnosis comes during the highest level of mosquito activity in the health district's history. As of June 21st, some 230 mosquito pools have tested positive for West Nile. 9 others tested positive for the virus that causes St. Louis encephalitis. The health district urges you to eliminate standing water around your home and wear insect repellent to protect yourself and your family from bites. It also urges the public to report increased mosquito activity when they see it.